We beat them by almost half.
Delana launching another triple. Yes, again!
Tira na si Aquino. Babap Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Ligaspi, he has redeemed himself.
Anyone? The hustler, De La Cruz! What up? Yes, yes!
It is last minutes na kanyang fourth quarter. Babap for three. Money for Babap Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Sinirang yun. Bahala na kayo.
That for three. Kaboom!
Ito talaga ang confidence ng back.
Good afternoon mga kasurog! Welcome sa Day 19 ng Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa! We are live here at the Encinas Pavilion, Gubat, Sorsogon for our 4-game series. Of course, our deepest thanks to the local government of Gubat, Sorsogon, headed by Honorable Mayor Ronel Nono Lim, and sa ating butihing governor na si Governor Boboy Hamor for this beautiful venue. Today, for the first game of a riveting 4-game series, we bring you the clash between two municipalities of Sorsogon, Bulan and Prieto Diaz. I am Angelo Espinosilia, your weekend warrior. And again, a pleasure to take you to the action of this game along with our veteran and resident basketball commentator na si Sir John Bachiller. Sir John, good afternoon po.
Yes, magandang hapon basketball fans. We are live here nga dito, kakasabi mo lang, sa Encinas Pavilion dito sa napakagandang lugar ng Gubat, Sorsogon. So, laban ng Bulan versus Gubat. Huwag natin patagalin pa. Punta na natin sa ating arena announcer na si JV Salvidar.
This is your DDT of your Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Brought to you by Congressman Saldico at Ako Bicol Party List. At habang nakasunod pa, we welcome you everyone inside Encinas Pavilion, our platform and our shop and our elimination round bottom. Our first game will be covering Team Bulan versus Team Prieto Diaz. And for the first fight of Team Bulan, orange jersey number 35, point guard, Joseph O'Hio. Orange jersey number 11, shooting guard, Sam Bustillo. Orange jersey number 17, small forward, Kenneth Sapio. Orange jersey number 72, power forward, Christopher Mobilia. Orange jersey number 73, center, Rex de los Reyes. Head coach for Team Bulan, Mr. Dory Villas. And for the Sutters of Team Prieto Diaz, orange jersey number 1, point guard, Zeus Blanco. Orange jersey number 8, shooting guard, Edson Banano. Orange jersey number 26, small forward, Aaron Dorina. Orange jersey number 11, power forward, Sean Jodea. Orange jersey number 35, center, Trayvon Trinidad. Head coach for Team Prieto Diaz, Mr. Christian Lloyd Colena. And for the officials for the spoken, Cruci Joel Coro. Number 1 in the Osana, number 2, Dennis Astavia. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Atito!
Magandang hapon basketball fans. We are live here sa Encinas Pavilion dito sa Gubat, Sorsogon. So our primary protagonist para sa dito sa ating laro, Bulan, starting off with Bustillo Stal, Buhion Joseph, Hubilia Christopher, Drex de los Reyes, and Kenneth Sabio. On the side of Prieto Diaz naman, si Zeus Blanco, Edson Manalio, Jonela Doniña, and Trinidad, completing the 5 for this Prieto Diaz squad. Magandang hapon sa iyo. The name is Wadi John Bachiller. Kasama nga ito si Sir Angelo Espinosilia, bringing you this first game ng ating apat na laro sa araw na ito. So this is going to be a good matchups dito sa ating araw na ito.
Tama, no? Welcome sa surfing capital ng Bicol, ang Gubat, Sorsogon.
Yes, yan nga. The first possession is Christopher Villa with a spin move and using the glass and first bucket galing dito sa Bulan. And Jesus Blanco binigay dito kay number 8 na si Edson Manalio, misses the shot. Ahead is Tal Bustillo and 4-0 lamang po ang Bulan.
Very good development and start for Team Bulan.
Another miss pero ayan, 6'8" guy na si Drex de los Reyes against the power forward na si Jonela. Pakaabangan natin yan. And dito rin sa side ng Preto Diaz is number 35 na si Trinidad J. Mark, who is also a 6-footer or listed, I guess 6'6", 6'3", 6'4", ganon. So tingnan natin if he will match up well pagdating dito sa 6'8" guy ng Bulan na si Drex de los Reyes.
So this will be a battle of the giants. So tingnan natin who will be the king under the rim.
Ayan na si Jesus Blanco. He missed several games kaya medyo nasaktan talaga itong Preto Diaz on that sequence. Pero yan na. What a shot by Jonela John. And this guy, Jonela John, is a power forward but he can hit those outside shooting shots. So talagang very effective itong big man na ito pagdating sa Preto Diaz.
And here comes the bigger man dropping the dime.
Yan na si Christopher Villa as early as first quarter nagtatrabaho kaagad, a product of former Santo Domingo National High School, and now he committed to Mapo University. So tingnan natin if ayan na si Duniña, kicks it out. Jonela at the baseline against De Los Reyes, missing the shot. Nangunguna si Stal Bustillos but intercepted. Ang bola mananatili dito sa side ng Bulan.
For the first 2 minutes of this game, Sir John, Bulan has been dominating the defense and offense rebounds as well with the likes of Drex de los Reyes.
Yan na nga si De Los Reyes, his first bucket of the ball game. And si Jesus Blanco waiting for his teammates. And binigay kay Trinidad sa gitna. Trinidad, short jumper against the 6'8" guy, Minty Santira. Chris Sobilla collects the board. Hands it off to Stal Bustillo. Bustillo for 3. Short on that. J. Mark is with the ball, kaso nabitawan. Yun na nga, partner. An easy 2 para dito kay Christopher Villa.
And that's the second assist of Drex de los Reyes as well.
Yes.
Grabe.
Ayan na si Manalio. Corner 3. No good. Drex collects the board. Bustillo. Outlets to Juvilla. And yun na nga, natawagan ng dribbling violation itong si Chris Juvilla. Medyo nang giggle, partner. Nakita niya open siya. So, right now the score is 10-3 with 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
And that 6 points by Bulan is by Juvilla alone.
Yes, yan na si Jonela. His favorite spot, partner. And I guess Drex de los Reyes should challenge those types of shot dahil talagang itong si Jonela, talagang he has a soft touch pagdating dito sa mga outside shooting na ito.
Tama, no? Especially when uncontested, he already had 5 points for his team. And now Bulan firing from the distance but misses.
Dinamit ni Santira. Ayan na si Zeus Blanco. His favorite floater yan, partner.
Lista mo na.
And right now, medyo nagpapabaya itong Bulan pagdating sa depensa. So, I guess yung coach nila, nakita ko pumunta sa ating scorer's table. De Los Reyes against the much smaller na si Harold Duniña, but he is not backing down. So, talagang good defense sa pinapakita nito, pero na-foul lang siya.
Tama. And yun na nga, kaya lumapit Sir John sa table. Is asking for a timeout because in the first run of the first quarter, they were showing a brick wall defense as Prieto Diaz can't enter the zone in the paint as well. Pero yung mga sumunod na minuto, no, they can easily make the shot. Especially itong si John Dionela who already made 5 points for his team.
Yes, yun na nga. A very crucial 5 points, partner, itong binitawan niya dito. So again, if you're free, 4 po ang laro natin dito sa Encinas Pavilion. And yung home team kanina, home team maglalaro mamaya sa ating huling laro kalaban yung Santa Magdalena. So if you're free, you can drop by and watch our live games dito. And syempre, Kasama natin ang ating third member of the panel na si Miss Mabel Echegoyen. Mabel, anong atin dyan?
Thanks Coach John and Coach Jello. I-enjoy ang laro para mabigyan ng magandang laban ang Team Bulan. Ganito umano ang diskarte ng Team Prieto Diaz sa laban nila kontra sa Team Bulan ngayong hapon. Wala man ang kanilang imports na sina Eugene Malyapre at Joshua Diaz dahil may mga personal na lakad, ay kumpiyansa naman ang Team Prieto Diaz dahil naglalaro ngayon sina Sus Blanco at J. Mark Trinidad na isa sa kanilang key players na inaasahan pagdating sa playmaking at bilis ng laro. Aminado rin si Coach Renan na may kalamangan in terms of physicality ang Team Bulan, ngunit makikipagsabayan umano sila sa laro para makamit ang unang panalo. And that's the latest dito sa courtside ng Team Prieto Diaz. Back to the panel.
Yes, maraming salamat Miss Mabel sa update. Yun na nga, they are missing the services of their two imports, si Joshua Diaz and si Eugene Malyapre. But then again, itong Prieto Diaz is here to battle against these Giants. Pero yun na si Drex with the towering rebound. Mabalik tayo dun sa Prieto Diaz side. Medyo ilang games na hindi available itong si Eugene and si Joshua. That hurts them talaga during the game. So tingnan natin if what adjustments will be made dito sa larong ito.
Tama, no, knowing Eugene Malyapre has played in several leg, no, and
Almost all of the legs dito
Almost
sa
all.
ating Ako Bicol Cup ay talaga naglaro siya. So talagang
he's a key player, especially no, his presence inside the paint. Nako, matatakot ka talagang umatake pag may isang Eugene Malyapre nakabantay.
and partner, he is a former best import dun sa ating Kamsur leg. So talagang this Eugene guy is fun to watch and alam naman natin maasahan when it comes sa loob ng court.
And yan, speaking of their absence, we have to look forward to the double effort or triple maybe na gagawin ni J. Mark Trinidad at Zeus Blanco according to their coach. So tingnan natin how they will step up with the absence of their imports.
And yun na nga. Si Los Reyes again scores his fourth point of the ball game. Pero si Zeus Blanco is there to attack. Chris with the board. Outlets to Buhion. Buhion to Hubilia. Grabe, partner. Christopher Hubilia has 8 points now, partner. He's leading the charge for dito sa Bulan squad. And pinasok na si Deliguero, nadulas, and we have a new guy from Prieto Diaz, number 30 si Rodriguez, and number 25 na si Ryan Eugenio. And right now we have a report sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Regine. Miss Regine, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon, Coach Jan at Coach Jello. With a standing of 4-2, Team Bulan has the eagerness para makuha ang panglimang panalo. Wala man ang players nila na si Gantoka at Gobresa, pero malakas pa rin ang tiwala ng Team Bulan na maiuuwi nila ang pagkapanalo ngayon. Lalo na at alam nila when it comes to game execution ay lumalamang sila. Pero nabanggit rin ni Coach na it might be the last game na makakapaglaro si Hubilia since kailangan nang bumalik dito sa Manila. So for his last game sa Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon, ibibigay raw nila ang makakaya to give a good fight kontra Team Prieto Diaz. Yan ang update mula dito sa side ng Team Bulan. Balik sa inyo, coaches.
Yes, maraming salamat. Yun na nga. Yun na nga pala ang last game ni Chris. Maybe he is yun na nga, committed na siya sa school. So talagang good luck sa career itong si Chris Hubilia. And syempre, he is fun to watch, lalong-lalo na dito sa ating leg.
Tama, no? And tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ng Team Bulan as they are about to advance in the semis after this ball game.
Ayan na si Rodriguez sa ilalim. Binigay dito kay Trinidad, no good. Hubilia and
And with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time, you are still watching the first game of our 4-game series, Bulan versus Prieto Diaz.
and what a shot dito. Galing kay Christian Placer. A steady guy dito sa Bulan pagdating off the bench. Pero si Zeus Blanco wants to answer back, misses the shot. Pero grabe partner itong si Deliguero. Christian flying high but mintis lang ang tira. Yan na si Hubilia with the board. Swings the ball to Placer. No good. And another rebound doon, partner, pero natawagan ng offensive foul.
Tama. Si Hubilia, medyo nahila niya doon si Christian Deliguero.
Yes, partner. And right now si Hubilia is replaced by number 18 nitong si Bulan na si Diaz Warren. And now the score is 21-9 lamang po ang Bulan with 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. That is not a good pass partner because alam naman natin gaano kalaki ang front line nitong Bulan. So muntik na ma-turnover. So ang possession mananatili pa rin dito sa Prieto Diaz. And si Destajo, one of the leading scorers dito. What a pass. Sayang nun, partner.
Hindi pa itinira.
Yes, a case of overpassing pagdating dito sa side ng Prieto Diaz. So another turnover. But still, napakaganda naman ang pinapakita ng opensa. Tingnan natin sa depensa kung paano sila mag-adjust. Ayan na si De Los Reyes sa ilalim. Nabitawan ng bola.
Flying sky high, almost an opportunity to dunk there but mistimed his jump.
Yes, I guess Drex De Los Reyes, a former player of Batangilas and also played for NU Bullpups dito. So he is, even though he is 19 years old, partner, talagang marami na rin exposure itong pinapakita.
19 years old pa lang ito, Sir John.
Yes, he is only 19 years old, partner.
Nabiyayaan.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Buhion against Rodriguez. Buhion, attack, spins. De Los Reyes is open. Top of the key three. Short on that, partner.
Mukhang pag ito makakalaban mo sa inter-barangay. Makakabahan ka na.
Ayan na, pinalitan si Drex De Los Reyes. Pinasok nila si number 69 na si Mark Fajardo, who is a product of Annunciation Panthers, coached by Ron Halmansar. And we'll see if Fajardo will take over pagdating dito sa big man ng Bulan. Ayan na si Fajardo. Outlets to number 4, Bautista. Backpedals. Placer Christian again. No good. Trinidad grabs the board. Binigay dito kay Eugenio ang bola. Ryan attacks using the glass. No good. Placer with the board. Nangunguna si Bautista. Binigay dito. Nakakuha ni Eugenio against Placer. Eugenio banging bodies. And yun na nga, partner, naisahan doon ni Placer. Pulling out the chair doon sa defense. So talagang na-outbalance and yun that caused a turnover para dito sa side ng Prieto Diaz.
Tama, good effort on the likes of Ryan, pero mas maganda yung depensang ipinakita ng Team Bulan.
Yes, yan na, with 35 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Buhion attacks. Binigay dito sa number 18 na si Warren Diaz. Shot clock is at 12. Bautista stops and pops. No good. Yes, yun na nga, sabi ng ating arena announcer, the shot clock is off with 21.1 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Lamang po ang Bulan kontra dito sa Prieto Diaz. And now again, a bad pass, partner. And na si Fajardo. Outlets and napalakas din ang pasa. Sign on, partner. It could have been, they could have been taken the last shot. So, ang bola babalik pa rin dito sa Prieto Diaz with 8 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. And syempre nga, ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng ako Bicol Party List katabang na, kasurog pa, and si Congressman Jill Bongalon also. And maraming salamat po sa ating butihing mayor na si Ronel Nono Lim for hosting our games dito ngayong Sunday. And syempre, ang governor ng ating probinsya ng Sorsogon, si Governor Buboy Hamor. Maraming salamat sa napakagandang pagtanggap dito sa inyong probinsya. Maraming salamat po.
Tama. And mapapanood din tayo sa ating different social media platforms. We have Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Saldico FB page, and Ako Bicol YouTube channel. Please do follow our Ako Bicol TikTok page for highlight and stories of our players.
Yes, yan na. With 8 seconds remaining, Eugenio gives the ball to Destajo. And another turnover, partner. Pero Destajo gets the ball. And naputukan ng oras, and that's the end of the first quarter with a score of 21-9. A high scoring pagdating dito sa side ng Bulan, pero itong Prieto Diaz medyo struggling pa. Pero we'll see if what adjustments will be made sa ating second quarter.
Tama, and as we end our first quarter, now we see the highlights as Bulan with 4-2 standing, showed their dominance in the very early 10 minutes of the game as they are taking over and taking control of this game with against Prieto Diaz na medyo nahihirapan sa ating elimination rounds. So ang larong ito, no, ay isa pa lamang sa 4 na laro natin na ngayong araw. So please, kung taga dito lang naman kayo sa Gubat or kalapit na munisipyo, please join us here at sa Encinas Pavilion, Gubat, Sorsogon for our 4-header matchup for today. So tingnan natin, in the first quarter, grabe yung offensive strategies and I noticed, partner, no, na ginamit halos lahat ng bench players nitong Team Bulan, while dito naman sa Prieto Diaz medyo tipid sila sa pagpapalit. So tingnan natin if that will be consistent or magbabago ang strategy ng coaches ng Prieto Diaz.
Yes. So ayun na nga, partner, our leading scorer sa nakaraang first quarter, itong si Chris Hobilla with 10 points and 4 rebounds. And pagdating naman dito sa side ng Prieto Diaz, si Jonella with now 7 points, partner. And yun na nga, partner, very aggressive talaga ito sa umpisa. Pero yan na si Bautista taking the long bomb. Misses the shot. And Edson Manalio with the board. And Blanco hesitates against Bustillo. Pinasa kay Edelfina. And now foul.
And
Itong si Junella, nitong si Warren
3
Diaz.
against 5. Medyo hindi bumaba dun yung dalawang players ng Prieto Diaz, knowing they had the ball possession. So I think that would be a problem in the long run if they will continue with that.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan na si Blanco, gives the ball to Trinidad. Attacks. Jonella again for 3. No good. Fardo with the board. Binigay dito kay Stal Bustillo. Bustillo kicks it out. Binalik dito kay Fajardo. You know, we can take that shot. Bustillo swings the ball to Placer. Irons it. Rebound. Nakuha ni Jesus Blanco.
That's too strong of a pass by Jesus Blanco. His vision was blocked by a bigger defender. So I think that's the reason why he missed that long pass.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Another turnover pagdating dito sa Prieto Diaz. Medyo nagmamadali lang kasi itong Prieto Diaz. Man for man, alam naman natin, wala yung biggest mismatch nila with the likes of De Los Reyes. So talagang kayang-kaya nila pag wala itong big man. So yun na nga, may offensive foul na tinawag dito kay Warren Diaz. Mabalik tayo doon sa sinasabi ko, nagmamadali yung opensa ng Prieto Diaz. Kasi man for man, halos malaki sila ngayon compared dito sa Bulan. So talagang kailangan na i-capitalize and idahan-dahan pagdating sa opensa.
Tama, this is their opportunity to create a play inside the paint, no, and do not rush things out. So tingnan natin if maririnig nila tayo, Sir Jan.
Yan na si Delfina. Swings the ball dito kay Manalio. Good ball movement pagdating dito sa Prieto Diaz. Nothing but the shot. And yun na nga, ang bola mananatili pa rin sa Prieto Diaz, pero it's a good sign, partner. Yan na nakikita natin. Five guys touches the ball pagdating dito sa Prieto Diaz, so it's a good sign na talagang they're finding their open teammates. Yan na si Trinidad. Yan na, tinawag na traveling violation, pero mabalik tayo doon. It's a good sign, partner, na all of the players ng Prieto Diaz touch the ball, so magandang indikasyon yan na talagang they're finding their open teammates.
Indeed, Sir Jan. And speaking of, they intercepted that pass. Pero medyo hindi pa sila nabuo ng magandang chemistry. Despite the good passing, hindi nila nahanap yung open spot to take an easy shot.
Yes, it's a 10-point lead by Bulan with 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Blanco gives the ball to Manalio. Binigay dito kay Edelfina. What a pass, Blanco sa ilalim. Easy 2 and a good pass dito. Galing dito kay Edson Manalio.
Good court awareness.
Era si Fajardo for 3. Sabi ko sa iyo, partner, he can take that shot any given day and any given night. Era si Jesus Blanco. Binigay dito kay Edson Manalio. Jonella is at the post. May slight mismatch. What a good pass. Edelfina. Shot clock is at 9. What a pass sana, partner, pero nahuli ang pagkat dito ng players sa Prieto Diaz. So another turnover, partner, dito sa Prieto Diaz.
Tama, but sabi mo nga, Sir Jan, no, good ball development and ball movement for the side of Prieto Diaz. And they only need to finish their shots. So yun yung nahihirapan sila ngayon. And Bulan takes the shot from the outside by the likes of Fajardo but miss this time.
Nasapal itong si Warren Diaz and Jesus Blanco. Burning rubbers using the left hand. Misses the shot. Nakuha ni Bautista ang bola. Binigay dito kay Christian Placer. And he waits for his teammates. Binigay kay Bautista. Attacking the baseline. Kicks it out. Warren Diaz. Step back tray. Kaboom!
Napagandang tira.
And what a good ball movement dito sa side ng Bulan. And a good kick out pass. Yan na si Manalio. Pinasa. Shot clock is at 13. Yes, I guess that is the third consecutive turnovers nitong Prieto Diaz partner. And this is just a 4-point lead. No need to rush. Ayan na naman si Fajardo. And Diaz Warren misses the point blank range. And as Jesus Blanco against 4 blue shirts.
Fajardo has already missed 2 3-pointers there. But still, again, no, he's a big man. So no problem for him.
Yes, ayan na. 27-13 with 6 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. 17 seconds on the shot clock. And as si Hadelbert Destajo inbounding the ball. Binigay dito kay Edson Manalio. Shot clock is at 15. Destajo against Cubales. Nakakapasok lang. What an eye in the sky play. Pero mintis ang tira ni Rodriguez.
Sayang, Rodriguez was out of nowhere there but misses the shot.
Sayang napalakas ang pasa nitong si Stal Bustillo papunta dito sa number 24 na si Mike Grafil. And partner, if you notice, halos lahat ng players ng Bulan nakapasok na dito on sa kanilang side. So
I think this is a strategy of the coach of Bulan, si Sir Lauren Gilbas. Kasi they know that they will advance, close to advancing to the semi, so they are strategizing.
Yan na si Cubales. Cubales kicks it out. Grafil. Shot clock is at 13. Bustillo open for 3. Short, nakakuha ni Destao ang bola. Advances. Pero there's Stal Bustillo intercepting the pass. And na si Cubales with the fake. With the blow by.
Very good defense on the side of Prieto Diaz. They are improving their defense right now as Bulan, despite their commanding lead, is struggling now to create more points for the team.
Yes, yan na si Jesus Blanco. Very quiet pa pagdating sa offense. 4 points pa lang, pero si Jonela, what a pass partner dito kay Rodriguez. Finally after dalawang possession na ganun yung renan nilang play, ngayon nakapag-convert na itong si Mark Rodriguez with another goal stab.
That's the same spot right there.
Yan na si Cubales, binigay dito kay Warren Diaz. Elbow jumper. No good. Zeus with the board. He is burning rubber. Zeus Blanco loses the ball. And he recovers. Ayan na si Blanco. Destajo for 3. No good, but Prieto Diaz secures the possession. And foul. And 1 dito kay Manalio.
And we have a report by Regine Bue. Regine, take it away.
Nalilimitahan man ang playing time ni Sabio because of his injury na natamo last time, pero hindi ito naging kahinaan ng Team Bulan para lumamang pa rin ng malaki sa Team Prieto Diaz. Tiwala si coach na all his players ay trained well na kayang mag-step up kapag hindi makakapaglaro ang kanilang key players. Kumpiyansa sila sa kanilang depensa na kaya itong magtuloy-tuloy hanggang matapos ang laro. Yan ang latest mula dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach Jello at Coach Jan.
Yes, maraming salamat, Miss Regine. Yun na nga, tama ka pa. I've noticed partner na talagang yun nga, may injury itong si Kenneth Sabio, pero si Cobillas, si Cubales, Mark missing the 3-point bomb. Zeus Blanco, binigay dito kay Destajo. Destajo, what a pass dito kay Rodriguez, but there is Jonela saving the day for the Prieto Diaz with a putback.
Good passing on the side of Prieto Diaz. And still, no basket dito sa side naman ng Bulan.
Ayan na si Chris Obilla. Shoots the 3 using the glass. Yan na nga, partner.
Breaking the curse there is Obilia.
Yes, partner. The bank is open even on a Sunday. So talagang right now, Chris Obilia has 13 points in the ball game. Yan na si what a pass and what a cut, partner.
That same spot, Sir John.
Yes, same spot and the same play dito. A back cut galing dito and a good pass pare dito kay Jesus Blanco. Yan na, nabibitawan ng bola. Number 24 na si Mike Rafil. Bustillo is open for 3. No good. De Los Reyes with the board.
Ito na yung problem nila in the presence of Hobilia and De Los Reyes. They are once again controlling the offensive rebound. No, so what they have to do is to stop the attacks of Prieto Diaz with the likes of Rodriguez.
Yes, missing the first free throw is Drex De Los Reyes. Yan na nga, still struggling pagdating dito sa opensa itong si De Los Reyes.
But still, Sir John, no, this is a good development for Prieto Diaz as they were able to cut the lead in a
Yes.
single digit.
Yeah, this is just an 8-point lead with 2 minutes remaining sa ating first half. Ayan na si Stal Bustillo. A vital role dito pagdating sa Prieto Diaz, locating his teammates. Yun na nga, Destao is open for 3. No good, Hobilia grabs the board against 4 white shirts. Hobilia attacks. And
That's it.
natawagan ng offensive foul. Natawagan ng offensive foul. Itong si Chris Obilia forcing that situation. And against 4 white shirts. And
that would hurt them a lot because it's the second foul already of Hobilia, who has been scoring a lot for their team. So this is a good development once again for Team Prieto Diaz.
And si Coach Loren Gilbas is asking a clarification pagdating dito sa ating nakaraang sequence na tinawag na offensive foul dito kay Chris Obilia. So, yun na nga. Pero possession mapupunta rin dito sa side ng Prieto Diaz.
And tingnan natin if they can convert this momentum into points.
Yes,
as they
tama.
are now closing the gap with 8 points with 2
Yes.
minutes and 19 seconds.
Yes, partner, tama nga dyan. This is just an 8-point lead, partner, and we are just in the first half. So talagang sa second half, maraming bagay na pwede mangyari. So talagang kailangan lang dumikit ng Prieto Diaz dito sa powerhouse Bulan squad. And si Destajo against Obilia. Swings the ball to Manalio. Shot clock is at 14. Zeus Blanco for 3. No good. Chris with the board. Binigay kay Sal. Binalik dito. And Christopher Obilia saving the day after that miss dito kay Mike Grafil. And dito nakakatakot itong Bulan na pag sila'y tumatakbo talaga because Chris Obilia can sky high with those fast breaking points. And this is Zeus Blanco kicks it out to the Stao for 3. No good. De Los Reyes with the board. And what a pass! Sayang partner, a good pass na dito kay Cubales, but Hobilia did not finish that alley-oop play. So he is in the free throw line to shoot 2.
Pang-highlight sana yun, no? And ito naman si Prieto Diaz has been attempting by shooting from beyond the arc, no? I think 3 to 4 attempts na, hindi pa rin pumapasok.
Especially si Destajo struggled a bit pagdating dito sa labas. So talaga, pero si Destao is one of the leading scorers dito pagdating sa Prieto Diaz during their last outing. I guess he scored 15 or 14 points during their last game.
And tama, no one can blame him. I learned that from Coach Paul, no, na dapat pag free ka, no, shoot
yes, you
the ball, no.
should take the open shot kasi may mga coaches talaga na ayaw nila yung gano'n na pag open shot hindi titira. So talagang kailangan if you're free, you should take it para yung kumpiyansa tuloy-tuloy na din. And syempre, ito batiin ko para ng ating kaibigan na si Sir Iris na dito sa ating tabi. Helping us during our live coverage. Maraming salamat
Yes,
sa napakabait
thank
na si Sir Iris.
Balita ko may binibisita yan sa Naga eh.
Ayun lang, yun na si Duninya. Ginugulo dito ni Grafil, binigay kay Jonella. 8 to shoot. Eugenio attacks. Eugenio, short jumper. No good. Obalias, Chris Obilia.
Here we go!
And what a miss dunk. Mintis ang ayan na si Doniña. Binigay dito kay Eugenio. Deliguero for 3. And masakit yung partner after that. Sure shot na sana. And sure 2 points na sana. And ngayon binawian sila ng 3-pointer galing dito kay Christian Deliguero.
Tama. And mukhang nabati natin yung mga missed 3 points nila. Pinakitaan tayo.
Ayan na si Bustillo. What a pass, pero mintis ang tira. Stahl recovers the ball. Binigay dito kay Grafil. Short jumper. No good. Wow. What a rebound. Ayan na si Jonella and si Hubilia.
That's a jump ball situation.
Yes. And natawagan ng 3-second
3
violation
seconds.
mga partner. And we have 14 seconds remaining. Ayan na si Rodriguez.
Grabe.
Ayan na si Grafil. Attacking. Ay, what a sorry miss. With 1 second remaining, Jonella. And that ends our first quarter with the score of 36-27. Napakaganda ng umpisa ng Team Bulan, but on the last part of ating first half talagang medyo gumanda na rin ang opensa. So tingnan natin sa second half kung magtutuloy-tuloy pa ang laro ng Prieto Diaz.
And good development on the side of Prieto Diaz as they were able to cut into a single digit. So again, Sir Jello and Sir Jan, magbabalik po kami.
Hawak na ni Paul Lee ang court ng Ako Bicol Cup. Sorsogon.
Basta't bulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, kompleto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakitang buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagapak ng pawis, di namin alintana masasaktan, madadapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uwi na kayo ko na magmay-katay, sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol.
In my capacity as representative of Ako Bicol Party List and on behalf of Congressman Zaldico, I hereby declare Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon officially open. Good luck to everyone.
Nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa pagdating dito ng Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya malaking pasalamat po na napunta kayo dito sa Sorsogon.
Ang ganda po ng opportunity nito sa aming manlalaro. At saka sa ibang mga ka-team po namin.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat. Ako Bicol Cup.
Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Sambuya.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Sambuya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
We beat them by almost half. Delana launching another triple. Yes, again!
Terena si Aquino. Babab Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Legazpi, he has redeemed himself.
Babalik dito sa laban ng Bulan versus Preto Diaz, and leading the charge for Bulan. Ito na nga si Chris Ovilla, and on the side of Preto Diaz naman talagang panaka-naka yung scoring, even distribution. So tingnan natin muna ang ating team stats ng bawat kupunan sa ating first half. Para naman sa bench points nitong Both teams naman lamang po na 2 puntos, 11-9 itong Bulan. And the points in the paint, yun na nga, sure yan partner, talagang lamang na lamang itong points in the paint dahil nga with the likes of De Los Reyes and Chris Ovilla, 22 kontra sa 14. And yun ang turnovers partner, 11-13 lamang ang Preto Diaz, pero hindi rin nalalayo itong turnovers ng Bulan. Kaya nga medyo nakadikit itong Preto Diaz sa larong ito dahil nga yung turnovers din na pinapakita ng Bulan. Sa fast break points, medyo konti lang, 6-2 lamang itong Bulan. And on the second chance points, nakakagulat partner, 7 sa Preto Diaz kumpara dito sa 4 ng ating Bulan. So tingnan natin sa second half if magpapatuloy pa ang pananalasa sa scoring nitong Bulan or talagang tuloy-tuloy na makakaalago at makukuha ng Preto Diaz ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating torneo. So yun na nga, pakaaban natin. This is the start of the second half. So again, itong Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon ay itid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na, kasurog pa. And again, this is Wadi John Batchilier kasama ang aking partner si Sir Angelo Espinosilla. Laban ng Bulan versus Preto Diaz para sa ating second half.
Tama, no? And I think the difference in the paint is what matters the most, no? Medyo grabe yung advantage na kinuha ni Prieto Diaz nung nawala si Hubilla and De Los Reyes. So tingnan natin what will develop or what will be the development for the third quarter.
Ayan na si Jesus Blanco still struggling pagdating dito sa offense. Ayan na si Blanco attacking the 6'8 guy. Misses Mas Delegaro with the board. Dunina, what a pass. Dunina against the 6'8 guy. Trinidad sa ilalim. Missing the point blank range. Ayan na si De Los Reyes. Binigay ang bola dito kay Bautista. Hubilla sa ilalim. What a good pass dito kay Buhion. And right now, Hubilla has 16 points, I guess, in the ball game. 19 partner.
Hubilla doing the same thing like Rodriguez right then and there.
Yes, ayan na si Deligero. Misses the shot pero nakuha sana ni Jonela but nasapal ni Drex De Los Reyes.
Yes, 6-footer didn't even try to jump. With 4 seconds on the shot clock, tingnan natin if they can convert it into a point.
Yes, ayan si Dunina, binigay kay Jonela. Deligero, post shot. And nakanakaw. Nakanakaw siya doon over the 6'8 guy na si De Los Reyes. Ayan na si Buhion. Itong point guard partner nitong Bulan talaga. Talagang gusto ko panoorin to even though he's not a flashy and speedy point guard pero talagang he can orchestrate and lead the charge pagdating dito sa Bulan. Itong si Buhion. Ayan na si Zeus Blanco. Against is struggling to get his points dito sa ating laro.
That was a too strong pass by Hubilla. That results to a turnover.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Na turnover dito on the side of Bulan. Napalakas. Medyo nanggigil si Cres nung nakita niya open yung teammate niya pero napalakas yung pasa niya. And that is a 12 turnover din nitong mga taga-Bulan. Pero si Deligero Christian with a 3-point bomb. And yun na nga partner. This is just a 6-point lead. And with 8 minutes sa ating third quarter, yan na si Buhion. Swings the ball to Bautista. De Los Reyes at the low block. De Los Reyes attacking. De Los Reyes. No good. Blanco. Burning rubbers against 2 defenders. Blanco recovers the ball. Binigay dito kay Dunina. What a good passing sana pero mintis. Kenneth Sabio recovers the ball.
What a sorry mess there by Deligero.
Yan na si Buhion. Binigay dito kay Kenneth Sabio. Hangs in mid-air. Mintis pero Chris Ovilla. And one opportunity. And he has a chance to complete a 3-point play. And meron tayong update galing kay Miss Mabel. Miss Mabel, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Thanks Coach John and Coach Jello. Aminado si Coach Rena ng Team Prieto Diaz na nahirapan sila sa first half ng game kanina. Naging alanganin umano ang kanilang mga pasa ng bola na nauuwi sa turnovers. Inaalat din ang kanilang mga outside shootings at malalaki talaga ang players ng kabilang kupunan kaya medyo nahihirapan din sila sa rebounding. Sa ngayon, nakafocus pa rin sila sa depensa para mapababa ang kalamangan ng Team Bulan. And that's the latest dito sa courtside ng Team Prieto Diaz. Back to the panel.
Yes, yun na nga partner. Another turnover dito sa Prieto Diaz. Si Bautista attacking Zeus Blanco. Misses the shot. Donina with the board. And si Blanco defended by Chris Ovilla. Swings the ball to Deligero. Open for 3 again. No good. But Trinidad passes to medyo natakop doon si Junela over the 6'8" guy. With 8 seconds to shoot. Blanco, what a pass partner. Pero Mentes. Yan na si Hubilla. Rushing. Bautista, binalik kay Hubilla. And sayang partner, Chris could have taken the shot, partner. So he opted to pass to Drex de los Reyes kasi gusto niya talaga i-involve itong 6'8" guy and mag-start yung scoring pagdating dito sa sentro nila.
Tama, that's another case of overpassing on the side of Bulan. On the side of Prieto Diaz naman, good passing sana but they can't finish. So dapat masigurado nila yung bawat bitaw kasi they know they can't battle in terms of rebound. So wala silang masyadong second chance opportunity to get the rebound and get another shot. So ito yung kailangan nilang linisin, yung mga finish shots nila.
Yes, yan. 2 out of 2 para dito kay Drex de los Reyes, a former product of National University and now he committed to Mapua University who will be teaming up with Chris Hubilla, I guess, sa susunod na season ng NCAA. So good luck dito sa dalawang players ng Bulan. Yan na si Blanco. Swings the ball to Manalio Edson. Shot clock is at 10.
Zeus with the ball with less than 10 seconds. Intercepted. Hubilla with the ball. Guarded by Rodriguez. Decided to wait for his teammate to the corner. Fires a three-pointer.
Pero Kenneth Sabio recovers the ball. Sayang partner. Hindi nila na-box out itong si Kenneth Sabio and shoots the easy putback. Ayan na si Blanco. Swings the ball to Trinidad. I guess Blanco should more be aggressive dito. Ayan na si Jonella. Manalio. Top of the key tray. Kaboom!
Good scoring on the side of Prieto Diaz.
Yes. Manalio scoring with a 3-point bomb. Ayan na si Kenneth Sabio. Job steps. Shoots the 3. Mentis ang tira. So, butik na mahabol partner ni Kenneth Sabio. That sequence na talagang hindi na ko control itong Bulan ng kanilang rebounding. So, yun na nga partner. Papalitan ito si Bautista. Pinasok na si Fajardo. Look at the frontline partner
We have
of
three
Bulan.
giants.
With the likes of Fajardo, De Los Reyes, and Chris Hubilla. Tingnan mo naman yung nasa harap nila, si Buhion and si Kenneth Sabio. But sabi ni Zeus Blanco, kayang-kaya kong butasin kang depensa niyan with a 3-point bomb. And right now, 7-point lead ditong Bulan with 5 minutes and 11 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. De Los Reyes loses the ball. Ayan na si Zeus Blanco against Hubilla. Behind the back dribble. Nakuha nitong si Edson Manalio. Shot clock is at 15. Jonella against Fajardo. Blanco for 3. Kaboom! Back-to-back 3-pointers ang binitawan nitong si Zeus Blanco. That cost a tamad para dito sa Bulan.
And with that, we only have a 4-point lead of Bulan against Prieto Diaz. Mukhang that hurt them a lot, no? Especially yung good double defense on De Los Reyes on that last outing of or last sequence made by Bulan, which was converted by Prieto Diaz into 3 points.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yun na nga. And yun na nga partner para sa kalaman ng lahat. Prieto Diaz is still a winless pagdating dito. Talagang wala pa silang panalo. So talagang no pressure kung mapapansin mo. They're still playing their hearts out pagdating dito sa larong ito dahil nakita ko sa body language sila ngayon. Medyo yung pressure ay mapupunta na dito sa Bulan side dahil as sabi ng ating writer na si Sir Iris talaga, Bulan is still in contention sa ating second round. So talagang pero I've heard na yung Bulan daw is nakadepende sa panalo ng ibang teams or pagkatalo. So talagang a must win dito para sa Bulan. And the side of Prieto Diaz, gusto lang nila makakuha ng unang panalo dito sa ating torneo.
Tama. They are hungry for redemption and it's showing. So tingnan natin what will happen for the next minutes of the third quarter.
And si Hubilla challenging Trinidad, misses the shot. And yan na si Chris Hubilla and si Manalio. Talagang si Chris Hubilla after that miss shot, talagang gusto niya mabalik ang possession. So magandang recovery and ngayon nga and may coach's challenge tayo to Prieto Diaz to see if what happens sa last possession.
Tama, no? And of course with very good league here, no, we have an instant replay to check what happened on that last sequence. So sobrang ganda nung ginawa dito ni coach, no, recognizing na yung mga Giants ay ipinasok for Team Bulan. They opted shooting from the 3-point line, no, for their offense. And for their defense naman, they cannot they are at disadvantage with the physique difference, especially kapag umatake na itong si De Los Reyes. Pero napakaganda nung double team, no, defense na ginawa ng team Prieto Diaz. So tingnan natin kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ng Team Bulan as we are reviewing, no, the last sequence and waiting to learn, no, kung kanino ibibigay ang bola.
Yes, as we take a look, the bench of Prieto Diaz, all smiles dito, partner, dahil nga apat na lang ang kalamangan nitong Bulan. And on the side naman, kita mo yung towering 5 nitong Bulan, partner.
And they are not happy, no, because some people are expecting that Bulan will win this effortlessly. Pero kitang-kita naman natin, no, grabe itong ginagawa ng Prieto Diaz. They are not allowing Bulan to take a commanding lead, no, as we are seeing in our scoreboard as early as third quarter.
Yes, tama ka dyan. This is just a 4-point lead. And we are in a 4-minute mark na ating laro. So, we'll see if what adjustments will be made ng both coaches dahil talagang this is a low-scoring ball game, partner, dahil yung depensa medyo gumanda na during the first part itong second half. So, tingnan natin if Prieto Diaz will snatch their first victory dito sa ating liga. Yun na nga.
The coach challenge was successful.
Yes,
and the ball will be awarded to Prieto Diaz.
It was successful nga, tama. Napakagandang challenge na ginawa nitong Prieto Diaz. And sa pagkakaalam ko, partner, meron lang tayong isang coach's challenge during sa isang team. So talagang that is the last. Usually kasi sabi nila mga coaches, ginagamit nila yung challenges na yan during the crucial part of the ball game or yung fourth quarter. Ayan na si Blanco against Fajardo. Blanco crosses over. Yan na nga, muntik na maagaw. Junela and Fajardo. Two big man who can dribble. Junela swings the ball to Manalio. Shot clock is 16. Blanco may pick na binigay si Trinidad. Sapal. Ayan na si Placer. Placer attacking. What a move! Grabe naman yung partner. A Pinoy step galing dito kay number 12 si Christian Placer on the side of Bulan, pero si Junela missing the 3-point bomb. Yan na, Blanco with the steal. Ginugulo ni Chris Uvilla. Double team, binigay kay Junela. Trinidad wants to attack. Kicks it out. Manalio for Trey, in and out. Ayan na si Stal Bustillo, binigay dito. What a fake, partner. Pero sorry miss dito kay Placer, pero nakuha niya ang bola. Kenneth Savio, binigay kay, yun na nga, a good fake galing dito kay Bustillo. And he was fouled and he will troop to the line for 2.
With 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, we have 47 and 41, a 6-point lead of Team Bulan against Prieto Diaz. Again, mapapanood po tayo sa Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Saldico FB page, Ako Bicol YouTube channel, and please do follow our TikTok account, ang Ako Bicol TikTok account.
Yes, yung paboritong TikTok account ni Iris. Ayan na si Stal Bustillo, sinks the second free throw. And yun ang YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. Pwede rin nila mapanood doon yung ating mga previous games simula Albay Leg, partner, ha. Albay Leg, Cam Sur, Cam Norte, Catanduanes, and here sa Sorsogon. So pwede tayong manood doon, and paki-like and paki-subscribe na rin yung YouTube channel. Ayan na si Trinidad. Sayang. A good pass dito sana ni Sus Blanco, pero hindi na basa nitong si J. Mark Trinidad. So another turnover. That is the 15th turnover, partner, nitong Prieto Diaz sa larong ito.
Tama, and medyo napako sila sa 41 after that coach's review, the coach's challenge.
Ayan na si Kenneth Savio. Gives the ball to Fajardo at the post. Stal Bustillo kicks it out. 10 seconds. Placer wants to attack. Kenneth Savio with a jab step. Fall away jumper. No good. Fajardo sa ilalim. Binigay dito kay Placer. Christian Mentes pa rin. Yan na si Jubilia. Medyo two towering centers by the name of Jonella Trinidad na payungan itong 6'3" guy na si Jubilia. Kaya natawagan siya ng 3-second violation.
Interestingly, good defense ang pinakita doon ng Prieto Diaz. Despite relatively smaller sila.
Ayan na si Destajo. Finally hits the 3-point bomb, partner. His first 3-pointer of the ball game. And yun ang partner. During the last game, kumana din itong si Destajo ng mga 3-point bombs during the third quarter. So tingnan natin. Ayan na si Fajardo, triple team. Binigay dito kay Placer. Sabio, corner 3. No good, Fajardo. Scott pushing Trinidad sa ilalim. And kitang-kita yan ni ating lady referee na si Ate Inday. Magandang hapon sa iyo. Ayan na si Destajo. Gives the ball to Blanco. Now the score is 49-44. Lamang po na 5 puntos ang Bulan. And Blanco, a steady point guard. Destajo again is open. Misses the shot. What a back pass, partner. Nitong si Edson Manalo papunta dito kay J. Mark Trinidad, partner.
Grabe. Good recognition by dropping the dime from his back there. Ito naman si Sabio. Still trying to take a shot from the corner. And finally, Placer hits it. Kailangan niya lang pala gumalaw na one step to the right to make the corner shot.
Ayan na nga si Placer with that much needed score pagdating dito sa Team Bulan dahil nga medyo struggling sila. Ayan na si Manalo Edson. Binigay sa ilalim pero naagaw. Bustillo. What a defense display by Destajo. Binigay dito kay Fajardo. And
grabe ang contribution.
46 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Yan na si Zeus Blanco. Natapik nitong si Christian Placer. And the shot clock is at 15. And 37 seconds remaining sa ating ikatlong yugto. What a cut by Jonella in an easy 2. So right now, and yun na nga, muntik na maagaw, but ang possession will remain to Bulan with 28 seconds remaining sa ating laro. And again, partner, ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa yan na si Bustillo sa ilalim. Binigay dito kay Chris Jubilia. And yan, the shot clock is off. And this is just an 8-point lead, partner. Ayan na si Manalo for 3. Short pero Manalo recovers the ball. Destajo tries to hit the 3-point bomb. Mintis na, medyo yun na nga. This Prieto Diaz is falling in love with those outside shots na sa tingin nila yun na ata magiging solusyon nila dito sa towering presence nitong si Jubilia and si De Los Reyes.
Tama, no, but they're still struggling to hit the mark with their shots.
Ayan na si Stal Bustillo. And that ends our third quarter with that turnover dito kay galing Stal Bustillo with 56-48. This is just an 8-point lead. And tingnan natin dito sa ating fourth quarter, magkakaalaman na, partner, if Prieto Diaz will snatch their first victory or Bulan will secure a 50-50 spot dito sa ating second round.
Tama, no? This is an interesting game for both teams. As again, Bulan is hoping for to secure this win while Prieto Diaz is very hungry for their first win in this elimination round. So kitang-kita naman natin, Team Bulan is very desperate in gaining scores because again, no, I think this is their last round in the elimination 2. While ito na mga si Prieto Diaz, they want to end their elimination round with a bang by gaining their first point. So they are shooting from beyond the arcs, no, to close the gap, pero medyo inaalat sila. So makita natin dito on the first few shots, no, they're banking it in, no. A lot of swish was made, pero medyo nag-struggle sila on the later part of the third quarter, even though most shots were taken openly, no. So sobrang ganda ng ball movement ng Prieto Diaz, we have to commend that, pero medyo inaalat nga sa shooting prowess from beyond the arc.
Yes, leading the charge for Bulan still is Chris Jubilia, is right now a double-double dito sa ating laro with 24 points and 10 rebounds. And syempre dito naman sa side ng Prieto Diaz, si Junela and Jesus Blanco with 10 and 11 apiece. And we're in the start of a fourth quarter and si Blanco may pick na binigay dito si Junela. Blanco crosses over. Ayan na. Hubilla against Distaho. And that's an easy two for Hubilla, partner.
Tama, using his body, no, as a veteran move to secure an easy 2 points.
And right now the score is Bulan 58. 48 naman itong Prieto Diaz.
A 10-point lead of Bulan against Prieto Diaz. And that shot didn't count because there's an early whistle called on Team Bulan.
Yes, 69 tinawagan si Fajardo. Speaking of 69, ang aking kaibigan na favorite number din yan, partner, ni Mamerto Rojas Jr. Ayan na si Blanco, binigay dito kay Distaho. Another extra pass. And gandang ball movement, partner, na naman ulit itong Prieto Diaz. And this is just an 8-point lead with 9 minutes exactly dito sa ating huling yugto. Yan na si Fajardo. Free throw jumper, I guess yun na nga. Kailangan i-challenge ni Junela ang ganong klaseng tira. Dahil nga alam naman natin talaga na may tira itong si Fajardo.
Tama. And
so, the lead is now again with 10 points.
For the first few minutes of the fourth quarter, no, they changed their strategies. Etong Prieto Diaz, they attack the paint. Ito naman Bulan, they shoot from outside.
Yes, yan na si Blanco against the much taller Bustillo. What a move sana pero mintis. And what a defense. Pero na dyan si Stal Bustillo. A sorry miss. Sayang nun, partner. Medyo nasaktan pa ata itong si Stal Bustillo after that miss. Sayang nun, partner. 3 against 2.
Yes, medyo naging aggressive doon si Sabio.
Yes, yan ang magandang depensa din na pinakita ni mo. And right now, partner, may interview tayo. May report tayo sa ating courtside reporter si Miss Regine. Miss Regine, take it away.
Huwag magpakampante. Hindi ito ang oras para mag-relax. Coaches, ito ang payo ni Coach Bok to his team. Problema na raw ng kanilang players na pag lumalaki ang kalamangan ay magiging kampante ang mga ito. Kaya ang payo ni Coach Bok ay hindi dapat magpabaya sa laro. Ngayon, the technique that they need to do para ma-maintain ang kalamangan is to run. Yan lang ang dapat nilang gawin dahil they have the advantage when it comes to the transition offense, size at size speed. Pero paalala pa rin ni Coach Bok sa kanyang mga manlalaro, huwag pa rin masobrahan sa confidence. Wala man panalo ang kabilang team, still, kailangan pa rin maging humble. Yan ang update mula dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, coaches.
Yes, yun na nga sabi ng coach ng Bulan. They have the advantage pagdating dito sa takbuhan. Talagang mabibilis itong Bulan. Parang aking kaibigan na si Joe Aldabi na napakabilis. Napakabilis itong player na ito. Magandang gabi. Ay, magandang hapon sa iyo, Paika. So, yun ang mabalik tayo doon. Yun na nga, yun ang advantage sila. Despite the height talaga, mabibilis talaga itong Bulan. So, tingnan natin kung yun na nga ang magiging game plan nila sa mga nalalabing oras ng ating fourth quarter.
Tama, hindi din sila pwede maging complacent. Kasi nga, despite winless itong si Prieto Diaz, these are top caliber players in their municipality. So, hindi mo ito mababasta-basta. At kitang-kita natin, no, with just 11-point lead, they are now shooting and gaining momentum.
Yes, samantalang yan si Fajardo. Outlets to Kenneth Savio. A bad pass ng binitawan dito. And si Eugenio against Kenneth Savio. Hubilla and De Los Reyes hindi bumaba sa depensa. Eugenio with the elbow jumper. And this yan, yun ang partner ng sinasabi ko na hindi bumaba itong si De Los Reyes. And si Hubilla. Kaya nakakuha ng konting espasyo itong si Eugenio to take that jumper.
Tama, and in the last play, medyo fancy yung ginawa ni Hubilla and De Los Reyes doon.
Yun na nga. De Los Reyes powering his way.
And ito na. They're causing a lot of trouble for their teams with just that two sequence.
Natawagan pa ng offensive foul itong si Drex De Los Reyes. And partner, this is just a 9-point lead with 7 minutes remaining sa ating fourth quarter.
Indeed, this can still anybody's ball game. as Prieto Diaz is now on the offense. Moving the ball around for an opportunity to take an open shot. Misses.
Ayan na si Ubilla against Deliguero.
Deliguero is fouled right there. So with 17 seconds on the shot clock and 6 minutes and 37 seconds for our game. 61-52.
Yan na si Kenneth Sabio shooting the three. Mintes yan and talagang inaalat din dito si Sabio dahil nga nabalita nga natin na he suffered an injury, so talaga medyo iniinda niya pa. Kaya right now the score is 52-61. This is just a 9-point lead, very manageable pa. So alam naman natin, ang Prieto Diaz, no pressure pagdating sa larong ito. Pero alam naman natin na itong guards nitong Prieto Diaz with the likes of Zeus Blanco and si Destajo can shoot and score in a bunch. So talagang abangan natin if makakahabol sila o tuloy lang mananalo itong Bulan sa larong ito.
Tama, no? And I think kailangan din itong timeout na to for the side of Bulan because nakita natin medyo complacent itong Team Bulan as we've seen on the last sequence. Ubilla could have taken the shot but he decided to create a fancy move by lobbing it out to De Los Reyes for an alley-oop dunk attempt supposedly. And eto na nga, with that bad sequence, Prieto Diaz has capitalized already and closed the gap into once again a single digit. So tingnan natin with their ball possession, they're able to crawl back once again into the necks of Team Bulan as this is still within striking distance. Jonela fires a 3-pointer. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. This game was supposedly a one-sided game is now becoming a nail-biter as we are now down with 6-point lead. Eto na, Bulan with Bustillo dribbling the ball, decided to pass it to the bigger man and drops the dime to Fajardo. Fajardo was guarded by 2, but he will troop to the line for an opportunity to gain 2 free throws.
Yes, maraming salamat nga dito sa ating kaibigan na si Mark. Talagang alagang-alaga tayo dito. Salamat sa iyo. And right now, Fajardo is in the free throw line. And missing the first one, itong si Fajardo. So talaga, partner, the door is still open pagdating dito sa Prieto Diaz with exactly 6 minutes remaining sa ating laro. And tingnan natin if Blanco will take over pagdating dito sa ating laro. Yan na si Blanco, one-on-one against Stal Bustillo. Jonela, he can take that. Jonela for 3. Pasok yan, partner.
In and out and in again.
Yes, partner, this is just a 5-point lead with 5 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Bustillo gives the ball to Kenneth Sabio. Fajardo is at the post against Doniña. And naagaw ni Zeus Blanco ang bola. Binigay dito kay number 4. Oh, but there's a block. Grabe, partner. And na si Ubilla against 3 white shirts. Ubilla hangs. Mentes Andira. Blanco is in a foot race. Blanco stops. Binigay dito kay Jonela sa ilalim and scores!
Back to back to back. Jonela is now becoming an offense juggernaut after creating 8 points in that 3 consecutive sequence.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Napakagandang tira ang ginawa nitong sino tumira, partner? Si
John
Jonela, parang tira ng aking kaibigan na si Odin Buen sa ilalim. Magandang hapon sa iyo, sir. Salamat sa pagsuporta. And right now, talagang kita mo sa body language itong Bulan na they're bothered, partner. Dahil nga yung kanilang kalamangan ay natapyas na. So, ito naman side ng Prieto Diaz is still all smiles to partner. So,
and tuwang-tuwa, Sir John, yung mga nanonood sa kanilang mga bahay, no? Especially itong mga supporters ng Prieto Diaz as they are seeing now, no, a light at the end of this tunnel. Na kanina, no, sobrang tambak yung score ng Bulan against Prieto Diaz. And we are now down to the 5-minute mark of the 4th quarter. Fajardo against Jonela. Fajardo pushing his way in.
Kenneth Sabio hangs in mid-air. Sorry, miss. Sayang nun, partner.
Sayang. An opportunity for a 3-point play sana for Sabio, but misses. But nonetheless, he will troop to the charity line. So again, this is just the first game of our Riveting 4 series. We still have 3 more games sa napakagandang lugar ng Gubat, Sorsogon, the surfing capital of Bicolandia. So next game would be Bulusan versus Irosin, Barcelona versus Matnog, and for our last game, the hometown, Gubat versus Santa Magdalena.
Ayan na si Fardo sa ilalim, powering his way. Mintes, Donina, and Sabio struggling to get the ball. Binigay dito kay Stal Bustillo. Shot clock is at 10. Sabio for 3. No good. Hubilia and Donina battling it out. Chris Hubilia, sapa lang nakaabot. But Hubilia again. Yun na nga, partner. Height is right. And what a block.
Tinayuan lang sila ng isang higanteng Drex de los Reyes. Parang tayong nasa kiddie party nun
But kudos, partner, dito kay Donina for battling. I guess ito si Donina listed 5'8", 5'9", pero partner, he is battling it out with the 6'8" guy. So talagang napaka galing ng player na ito. So yan na si De Los Reyes, makes the first free throw. De Los Reyes, a very steady free throw shooter, and now the lead is up to 6 points with 4 minutes remaining sa ating laro. And what a bad pass, partner. And si Fajardo against Blanco. Fajardo, natapik. Trinidad gives the ball to the point guard. Blanco, what a back pass, pero mintis. Yan si Fajardo. Sa ilalim. And easy 2, partner.
Lost opportunity. Now Bulan is ballooning again with a 6-point lead against Prieto Diaz. 8-point lead
Yan
rather.
si Bustillo and Blanco. Nandito sa ating backcourt, talagang binabantayan nila si Donina. Donina, top of the key, 3. Short. Hindi na kinuha ni Chris Ubilla. And partner, this is just an 8-point lead with 3 minutes, kayang-kaya pa. So we'll see if yun na nga yung adjustments. Pinasok na ditong si Edson Manalio and replace dito sa hardworking guy na si Harold Donina. So I guess this is the final lineup nitong Prieto Diaz. Yan na si Hubilia. Binigay kay De Los Reyes at the post against Trinidad. De Los Reyes with the spin, using the glass, partner. Yan na nga, height is might.
And they have to stop that kind of sequence that resulted for 3 turnovers already, including this one. So they keep on passing the ball with the likes of Drex de los Reyes on the guard there. So that is a costly mistake for Prieto Diaz for rushing their plays.
Yes, ayan si Stal Bustillo milking the clock. And we know talagang nasa side ng Bulan itong larong ito with 10-point lead. Sabio faking a 3, shoots the 3. Come home! And medyo lumobo ng Kalamangan ito, 13 points. Medyo I guess fatigue factor na itong dito on the side of Prieto Diaz dahil nga talagang hinigpitan ng depensa nitong Bulan dito sa fourth quarter. And the shot clock is at 14. Jonella attacks and he was fouled.
Mukhang pinatikim lang ng momentarily happiness itong Team Prieto Diaz na pinakitaan lang ng konting liwanag, but was taken right away with the attacks made by Drex de los Reyes, followed by a 3-pointer by Team Bulan.
Yan na si Jonella, sinks the first free throw.
And for the second shot, he misses it. Drex de los Reyes again with his dominance, just standing there to grab the rebound, but loses it. An attempt by Dionela from beyond the arc, no good. A second chance opportunity and a third chance. Trinidad cleans up the mess. Sabio rather.
Yan na si Sabio. Gives the ball to the point guard, Stal Bustillo. And we are nearing the twilight zone ng ating and that is the nail in the coffin, I guess, partner. Talagang this is a 12-point lead with 1 minute. Ayan na si Trinidad. Elbow jumper. No good. Kenneth Sabio with the board. Binigay dito sa kanilang point guard. And yun na nga, very evident na talagang ubusin na lang ni Bustillos ang oras.
And De Los Reyes is enjoying this game, dribbling with a smile.
Yes, yan na si Drex. Shooting threes. Oh, partner.
And he pointed the fire gun to the bench of Prieto Diaz as he is enjoying this ball game. Saying as if he can be a juggernaut in offense and defense, but a sniper from the long distance as well. So with 1 minute and 22 seconds, let's see if what development will occur for both teams, as again that 3-pointer by Drex De Los Reyes is just adding insult to the injury experienced by Prieto Diaz.
Yes, ayan na si Blanco. And I guess yun na nga. Bulan is still waiting for the results ng mga upcoming games natin dahil talagang crucial pa itong panalo na makukuha nila. And we are in the seconds to play ng ating fourth quarter. Yan na si Kenneth Sabio against Manalio. No good. Rodriguez with the board. And si Christian Delagero adding the scoring pagdating dito sa
And Team Bulan even called the timeout there for utilizing properly their last play.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And we'll see, partner. And ano ang susunod na laro natin, partner?
Again, this is just the first game of our 4-game series. Our next game here in Encinas Pavilion is Bulusan versus Irosin.
Ay, napakagandang laban yan, partner. The Aquaman versus the high-flying forward na si Uwe Mendenilla. We'll battle it out para sa ating second game. And both team, yun na nga, partner, Irosin is still wala pang talo, and itong si Bulusan may isang talo. So talaga, this is a important matchup sa ating second game.
And interesting, no? Kasi these are some of the powerhouses in this district. Right after the second game, partner, we have Barcelona versus Matnog. And of course, for the last game, we have Gubat versus Santa Magdalena.
Yes, yun na nga. We are just waiting for the final score and the final buzzer nitong unang laro natin. And si Stal Bustillo, guarded heavily by Zeus Blanco, binigay kay Fajardo. The shot clock is at 12. And si Bustillo, may pick na binigay si De Los Reyes. Swings the ball. Kenneth Sabio, corner 3. No good. Delagero with the board. Yun na nga. Adding the scoring. Itong si Zeus Blanco. And a steal. Blanco for 3. In and out. And that's it. It's in the books. Panalo po ang Bulan kontra Prieto Diaz. 78-69. And yun na nga. Talagang nanalasa ang height nitong Bulan over dito sa Prieto Diaz, and kudos din dito sa Prieto Diaz for fighting against this mighty Bulan squad.
Tama, no? You cannot blame them because Prieto Diaz has been scoring relentlessly, but the danger they experienced was when Drex De Los Reyes is inside the paint. No, they cannot contest against this Thanos, no, the bigger man or the biggest inside the court. So medyo nahirapan sila to contest both offensive and defensive rebound, no, on the side of Bulan. So again, well utilization din sa players, no, on the side of Team Bulan, as all of the players in the bench was able to play. So an opportunity for them to step up and experience the intensity of this magnificent lead, no, ang Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Of course, hati dito sa inyo ni no other than Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico. Katabang ng Asurug pa. Maraming salamat din sa Mayor ng Gubat Sorsogon, Ronel Nono Lim, and the Vice Mayor Val Pura IV. Maraming salamat din kay Governor Boboy Hamor.
Yes, happy birthday sa isang coaching staff ng Team Bulan na si Sir Coach Daniel Regidor, and driver natin si Kuya Alex. Happy birthday, Kuya Alex!
And happy birthday sa iyo, Kuya Alex. Baka naman.
Yes, yun na nga. And yun na nga, si Cassandra pala, birthday din ngayon. Si Miss Cassandra, happy birthday sa inyo. And yun na nga, well, just waiting for the final. Yun na nga, tapos na pala yung laro. Yung ating kasurog, best player of the ball game natin, inantay. Ito si Mark Balancin, tinuturo na shoutout ko daw sa kanya. Maraming salamat din ng mga kaibigan natin from Infinity Media Broadcasting Company. Maraming salamat po. Headed by Russell Loretta and si Direk Christian Calleja. Magandang hapon sa inyo. And nandito ang aking mga anak, sideline, si Juan Carlos at Franco Miguel. Salamat sa pagsuporta. And yun na nga, partner. May babatiin ka, you can greet them now, partner.
Of course, binabati ko din ang mga trabaho ko dyan na fan ng basketball, especially ang Ako Bicol Cup, si Mama Che at ang kanyang pamilya. Happy viewing po. At ang mga alakdanista na makakasama ko next week sa Baguio for a seminar and sa La Union. No, maraming salamat din sa mga pamilya ko dito sa Gubat, Sorsogon. No? Thank you for accommodating us.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po sa pag-accommodate mamaya. Mag-stock tayo doon, partner.
Sure.
And yun na nga, partner. Hintayin na lang natin sa ating ng queue kung sino ang tatanghaling kasurog best player. Siyempre, batiin ko si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera na magandang hapon sa inyo. Si Boss Ino Rivera and lahat ng committees ng Ako Bicol Cup. Magandang hapon po sa inyo. And siyempre, may brothers from Albay Basketball Community. Magandang hapon na si Jenard Pimentel nandito sa ating sidelines. Magandang hapon si Brian Ranyosa. And yun na nga, partner. Puntahan na natin si Miss Jessa para kausapin ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game.
And thank you so much, Coach John and Coach Jello. Now with me is the kasurog player of the game from Team Bulan, jersey number 72, Christopher Hubilia with 26 points, 12 rebounds, and 3 steal. Ayan, congratulations once again for being our kasurog player of the game. Anong masasabi mo at maganda ang pinapakitang performance ng Bulan having 3 consecutive wins?
Masabi ko lang, parang tinabaho lang din namin talaga yung sabi nga namin. Huwag na namin isipin yung natalo namin. Gawin lang namin yung kung ano talaga yung sistema ni Coach. And hindi na namin isipin kung makakapasok ba kami o hindi.
Ayan, right mindset nga yan for Team Bulan. May gusto ka bang pasalamatan or i-shoutout sa inyong mga supporters?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga taga-Bulan na laging nagsuporta sa amin, mga coaches namin, teammates, and girlfriend ko sa Cebu, family niya, and mga classmates niya, and mga kaibigan ka sa Zone 7, kay Bustillo, kay Drex. Shoutout sa inyo, Gaw. Ingat lagi.
Ayan, congratulations once again to our kasurog player of the game, Christopher Hubilia, and to the team of Bulan. Kaya naman mga kasurog, manatiling nakatutok sa aming live stream para sa ating second game for today between Erosin versus Bulusan. Na live niyong mapapanood sa aming Facebook pages na Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Online TV at sa aming YouTube channel at Ako Bicol Cup. So once again, this is Jasmine Navales, your courtside reporter.